¿Qué es eso? Mi amor, besos. Yo necesito besos, muy triste.
Necesitas amor.
Muy triste.
Dámelo tú, muy triste.
Muy triste. Muy triste. Gracias, amores, gracias. Gracias, amores. Muy triste.
Latina women find black men more attractive than she does any other group of men. These are facts. I asked them myself, and they told me. She said, but you know, we keep it on the low. You understand? They got a crush on black men, but they don't let them know. But they speak amongst each other. You know, like the sisters, the cousins.
Man, how many times I'm gonna tell y'all, man, we got that melatonin, you hear me? And that gonna make every woman, you feel me, drip, you hear me? But hey, man, let's get into this video, man. I'll be bringing y'all that fire. You feel me? You know I got y'all. Let's get it.
They desire black men, but the one who are able to date black men, meaning the ones who their family don't mind, they let the black guy know that they like them. They will flirt with the black guy so he could know she likes him. You understand? So it really depends on how they was raised. If they was raised in a household where their parents have a problem with it, they won't let the black guy know that she likes him. But if their parents don't mind, then they'll let it be known. And black men always like Latinas. From the first time they started moving into the black communities, black men always liked them because they seen them as, you know, they was exotic. They was different. They're family oriented. You know, they believe in having a two-parent home.
Yeah, man, but I got to say this, man. You don't always have to, especially when you are grown, you do not always have to listen to your parents. Your parents are not always right. Sometimes your parents are completely wrong. You know, like, it's okay to not listen to your parents when it comes to certain things. If your parents sit up here and literally tell you, do not date a black man because all black men are this, that, and that, and that, you should know that ain't right because all black men aren't like that. You should know in your head that that's not right. Or if you're black, you feel me? So, like, it's okay to not listen to your parents when it comes to certain things. Like, they don't have it all figured out. You know what I'm saying?
They believe in the man being the head of the household. So these are the things that the Latina have. Plus, they like to cook. They like to take care of their men. They like to clean. They like to do a lot of stuff. You know, Latinas are like housewives. Latinas are good at a lot of things. And this is why when a black man get a Latina, he takes her serious. He wants to, you know, go to the next level. He will marry a Latina. Because black women complain black men don't marry them because they don't want to. That's why. It's not because that's something they don't want to do or they don't like to get married or be a part of a family. It's not that they don't want that. They want that with certain type of women, not just anybody. And the man's supposed to be like that. You're not supposed to marry just anybody. You're supposed to take your time and find the right one. But when they get with a Latina, they'll go all the way with her because she put out. She don't make excuses about not doing stuff that they want to do. You know, the black guy said, the black woman, she don't like to do this, she don't like to do that. You got to fight and argue with her just to do this, just to do that. They go all out for their men. For Latina, I love you, she'll go all out for you. She'll stay by your side. You know, she'll help you. She'll be a good mother to your kids. She'll be a good girlfriend, a good wife, whatever. Right. She'll cook your food, clean, whatever you need her to do. Because that's how they was raised. That's a part of their culture to take care of their men. That's why when a black man gets one, he holds on to her. And that's why when a black man gets one, the Latino man is mad. But my whole thing with that, with Latinos getting jealous and being upset, why they don't have that same energy when she's dating the other groups of men? Why they don't have that same energy? Latinas and black men makes a good match. I've never seen a black man who was with a Latina that wasn't happy, that didn't look happy. Yeah. Because when black men date certain people...
I'm happy in the morning, bro. You know, my girl, bro, for my birthday next month, my girl bought me tickets to the Ryan Garcia and Devin Haney fight for my birthday. Like, you feel me? Like, that's the type... I just love my wife, man. You feel me? I just love it, bro. For real.
You can see it all over his face. He's stressed out. She done called the cops on him a couple times. He done got a criminal record messing with her. He's stressing him out. But when they with Latinas, they look happy. You see, Latinas have everything a black man wants. They got the looks, personality, the sassy, you know, the spicy Latina. You see, the thing is that black women says black men don't like their attitudes, but they allow Latinas to have attitudes. Why they don't go around and, you know, talk about Latinas having attitudes, this and that? It's because Latinas don't have as much attitudes with black men that black women has. That's what it is. It's not as much. It's not to the point to where it's annoying. Because most black men, when they say black women have attitudes, they mean it's overdoing it. There's nothing wrong with having an attitude every once in a while. But if you want to have an attitude most of the times, that's uncomfortable. You know, that make people don't want to stick around. So this is why black men could still be with Latinas who have attitudes, because they don't have attitudes every week, every time. They have attitudes when you do something, you make them upset, but they're not going to have it for no reason. And that's
not really true. My brother got a Hispanic girl, and his girl, he had an attitude 24/7. So it's in both cultures. Don't think you're gonna escape. You just gotta find the right one in each culture. You feel me? Just find the right one.
You know, black men and Latinas, they get along very well. You know how many Latinas are married to black men and been married for 10, 20 years? They have mixed children together. They are perfect for each other. You know, and the Latinos, they don't like it. They can't stand it. In their mind, that's the last person they want to see with a Latina is a black guy. If you're European or Asian, they don't mind. But for some reason, they think a black guy don't deserve a Latina. But in fact, he's the best one for her. Because they both grew up in the same community. They went to the same schools. They go to the same stores, the same supermarkets. They're always running into each other. So it's meant to be black men and Latinas. And Latinas, they really like black men. They're attracted to them physically more than any other race of men. Black men and Latinas, a match made in heaven.
That's a fact, bro. That's just factualization. You hear me? But hey, man, thank y'all for watching the video, man. See you guys next video. And hey, be safe out there, kings. Let's get it, man.